Hello everyone, welcome once again to another video of Slidescope related to DAX functions in Power BI. We are continuing our discussion of filter functions in DAX, and the function that we are going to discuss in this chapter is values function. Okay, so in the previous examples in our video playlist you have other functions. Now we will discuss about values function. So values function return a single column table of unique values. Okay. For example, if you want to get the unique customer IDs from the dataset as a single column table, so you can use this function. And its syntax is very easy. You can write unique customers is equal to values, and here you can see orders customer ID. So what is this doing? Here you are only selecting the customer ID column. What is happening here is when you will do that, so it will create this table for you. So unique customers, it will create a table for you, and in this table you will see only one column. So to check what type of arguments or values will it support, so here you have to provide table or column name. When a column name is given, it returns a single column table of unique values. When a table name is given, it returns a table with the same columns. Okay. So suppose we write orders. So it will give us the table with the same columns. So you can see our table with the same columns. Okay. But when we will write only one single column, like we are writing customer ID, or we can also write customer name here, so it will give us unique customer names. Okay, let's just a minute. Maybe not on filter orders, but we have to say from orders. Yes, from orders we have to select filter names, and now the customer name is selected, so it will give you all unique customer names. So this is the use of values function. Here you can see all customer names, and what you can do here is now you can export them and use them, or you can select this and combine with other tables to find relevant values.